Yeah. I'm in New York and you're on Long Island. I don't even treat you that good, girl. Why you smiling? It's 3 in the morning. Why you driving? Why you stopping for gas to get on the highway just to end up in my place?
Hey y'all, hey, I am Nicole. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. I am cleaning up my little stash. I'm getting everything ready. It's 2023 and I just want to be more organized, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm organizing my stash. So that's what we got. I got all this, baby. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just organizing this right here because I got some stuff everywhere. Do you see? I got all this right here. This mess. This is my vanity my husband had bought me for my anniversary. But yeah, this is all the stuff that we got. I just need to clean up. Okay, so this is what I'm about to be doing. Organizing, baby. Get my life together. So first thing first, I'm gonna start with the Dove because I got a lot of Dove. I love me some Dove. A lot of people don't love Dove, but I love me some Dove, and this smells good. It's the anti-stress, okay, baby. But yeah, let's get started. Maybe I can give y'all a little haul while I'm doing this, but it ain't gonna take me that long because I ain't got a lot of stuff. But it's gonna take me a good little minute. So baby, this what we got. We got all this right here, okay? This is a lot of stuff that I gotta go through. I ain't gonna throw nothing away, but it's a lot of stuff. I have a good towel. I'll be back. We gotta clean, baby. When I'm talking about clean. So first I'm gonna start with the Dove because like I said, I love Dove products. While I'm cleaning up, I might as well just go and give y'all a little haul because I ain't doing nothing else and y'all ain't doing nothing else, so just watch this video. Anyway, this right here, baby, this is the Dove Purifying Detox. When I tell y'all, this baby right here, she smells so freaking good, and it's like a green clay. So when you put this on, baby, your skin be feeling so freaking good. So good. But yeah, if you don't have this, this is definitely a must-have. I don't care what nobody say. This right here is a hydration. I haven't used this one yet, but anything hydration, y'all know I love me a good hydration. So yeah, it says no. I don't know. Another one, it is the Snow Blossom. I can tell you for sure, this baby right here is so good. I paired this Snow Blossom up with the Candy Cane body scrub, and baby, these two right here, combo, okay? You got it from me, combo. We got next, we got the anti-stress, like I told y'all from the beginning. This right here, never used this, but I just say anything with anti-stress, because I don't want to be stressed. 2023 is gonna be my year. I'm not stressed about nothing, not a goddamn thing. We got that. We got this right here, summer care. I ain't gonna be using this no time soon because this is OG. This was for the summertime, but it still do smell good. I'll take that back. I might do this. Matter of fact, I might use this today. It's just like it's that grapefruit. Great. We got all the Dove right there. You already know everybody got this pampering. You gotta get pampering. If you don't have pampering, something wrong, okay? This should be the first Dove that you get. First one you should get. Coconut shea butter. Got all those right there. This right here is the soothing care, okay? Gotta get you a soothing care. This right here is a deep moisturizer. Everybody know this the OG. This the first one. To me, for some reason, this one feels better than any of them. That's just me. Another pamper, I told you. This should just be the first one you should have anyway. I don't know which one is actually open. Oh, matter of fact, this is a new one. See, I didn't even realize that. This one right here is a shea butter in vanilla. And this one right here is a shea butter in warm vanilla. Okay. So they took the warm off, but it's cool. We still like them. All the Doves right there. Oh, yeah, I know. My favorite. I love me the glowy skin. This is the mango butter and almond butter. Love this one. Two of those. What else we got? The last one is the rejuvenating, and this one smells awesome. Awesome. Dove. All Dove. Dove need to go and sponsor me at this point. Shit. Y'all tell Dove sponsor your girl. I need to be sponsored by everybody. If I got more than 4 products of yours, sponsor me, baby. Sponsor me. Oh, that look good too. But it don't look good how I got it. Let me fix this. Alright, what's next? St. Ives. Can't go wrong with that St. Ives right there. Right here, we got the oatmeal shea butter. I told y'all about that a while back. This right here is the sea salt. I told y'all about the sea salt. This right here will have you sneezing, but I swear you will smell so good. We got that. I just rebought those, honestly. Oh, we got next. We got all that. Next, we're going in with the Olay. I got Olay right here. And this is the Moisture Ribbon Plus Shea Lavender Oil. I got one more. This right here, the Fresh Outlast. There in front. Okay, so we got another Olay. And this one right here is the Cocoa Butter. Put that baby right there. All the purples. Get my life together. Get my life together. Now we're going with the Dove soaps. Love me some soap. For me, I just gotta have me a body wash and a soap. That's just me. I'm gonna wash it with both of them. I like the glowy because that's my favorite. We got sensitive skin. I don't know why I got that because I really don't like that, but I just got it. And we got the rose, the pink rose. And we got shea butter because I love shea butter. I love shea butter so much. Oh, we got more Dove. Oh, let me tell y'all about this. Where is the baby? Where is the... Oh, hold on. Here we go right here. Baby, these two right here. Do you hear me? You gonna put this on right here because this is a body cleansing shower butter, baby. That's what that is right there. It's a shower butter. You put this on, but you don't wash it off. Told y'all I had another one. Here it goes. The Shea and Almond Oil. Put that baby right there. Yep. Find you a spot, baby. You home now? Find you a spot. Okay, so next we're going in with the sugar scrubs. We're gonna put the sugar scrubs up here. That right there. You know what? I'm gonna give y'all another breakdown with these sugar scrubs. Feel like I'm missing some. It's just 6. I had ordered 10 of them. I mean, just now you got some. And she can have them because I don't like sharing sugar scrubs. It's just me. I don't care if it is, my child. But this is what we got so far. We got all the Dove. And we got the Tree Huts. We got Baby Cologne. We got the other body washes. We got Olay. Okay, so I guess I could... Oh, here goes some more sugar scrubs. But this is somebody else. I just feel like it ain't organized. Let me sit y'all down. Okay. Okay, so I am done, you guys, and it looks so freaking good. I think I did a good job. Look at this, baby. I got my light on now. I got my little robe right there. Look at me looking good. Y'all don't know, this is my closet. Me and my husband share a closet. I took all my stuff out, baby, because I was trying to give me a little groove going on because we don't have a lot of room in this house. So, you know, I just got to do what I got to do, make room. Okay, so at the top, we got all the perfumes, okay? If you haven't watched my winter perfume haul, y'all go take a look at that right here. We got winter and fall. Over here, we got spring and summer. Okay, on this first shelf, baby, we got Dove because we love us some good Dove. All that back there is Dove body wash. Dove, come on here and sponsor you, girl. Tree Hut, you too, okay? We got Tree Hut, we got body scrub because I love me a good body scrub. Right here, I got my husband all his cologne, baby, because he's just so special to me, and I just love how he smells. And sometimes I be wearing his stuff. He do know that. But anyway, over here we got more body washes, just different kind of body wash. Caress, Olay, soft soap, all that good stuff. St. Ives back there. We got a little Bath and Body Works back there too. Right here, I put the soap right here. We got soap in the back also. Y'all know I love a shea butter, a body butter, any kind of butter. Oh my gosh, don't do that, girl. Don't mess it up, okay? I'm trying to be organized all 2023. That's the whole purpose of this video, keeping it organized. And over here, we got all our body lotions and little body sprays and deodorant because I don't want to be musty, okay? Because put you some deodorant on. Don't put it on at nighttime, okay? Let your underarms breathe. Y'all do not know that. Let your underarms breathe. You don't need deodorant on when you're going to sleep. I hope y'all don't be sweating and stuff and then, you know, doing all that. But anyway, over here, I put my little makeup bags on it because I ain't got a lot of makeup. But now I can sit right here, baby, and be up there and just looking. Okay, right here I got my vision board from last year. Right here, just the previous year. And then right here is the Porsche experience because I'm gonna give me a Porsche, baby. I'm speaking that to existence. And then I got my getaway houses. Every time I go to the getaway house. So y'all take y'all a getaway, okay? Take a getaway. And these are all the times I've been. Yeah. And with that being said, I am done with this video, y'all. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I'm out.
Yeah. I'm in New York and you're on Long Island. I don't even treat you that good, girl. Why you smiling? It's 3 in the morning. Why you driving? Why you stopping for gas to get on the highway just to end up in my place?